If you are planning to study at the University of the Western Cape in 2027, this video will guide you through the complete online application process. We will cover application dates, admission requirements, APS calculations, required documents, residence applications, NSFAS, and how to track your application after submission. The University of the Western Cape, commonly known as UWC, is one of South Africa's leading public universities. Located in Bellville in the Western Cape, UWC offers qualifications in areas such as education, law, commerce, science, nursing, pharmacy, dentistry, arts, and social sciences. Applications for the 2027 academic year opened on 1 April 2026. Most undergraduate applications close on 30 September 2026. However, some programs have earlier deadlines. For example, dentistry and oral health programs close on 31 August 2026. If you are interested in these programs, do not wait until September to apply. One of the biggest advantages of applying to UWC is that there is no application fee. Unlike many South African universities that charge application fees, UWC allows students to apply online free of charge. You do not need to make a payment before submitting your application.
To start your application, visit the official UWC Student Portal at student.uwc.ac.za. This is the university's official online application system. Be careful when using search engines, and make sure you are on the official UWC website before entering personal information.
Before applying, you should first check whether you meet the admission requirements for your chosen program. Meeting the minimum requirements for university admission does not automatically mean you qualify for every program. Some qualifications require specific school subjects and higher APS scores. Most universities, including UWC, use an admission point score, or APS, when evaluating applications. APS is calculated using your National Senior Certificate results. The university assigns points to your subjects based on your percentages, and these points are added together to determine your APS score. For example, a mark between 80 and 100% usually gives 7 APS points. A mark between 70 and 79% gives 6 points. A mark between 60 and 69% gives 5 points. A mark between 50 and 59% gives 4 points. The exact APS requirements depend on the program you choose. Let us look at a simple example. If you obtain 75% for English, 70% for mathematics, 68% for physical sciences, 72% for geography, 65% for life sciences, and 61% for another recognized subject, your APS would be calculated by adding the points for those subjects together. Remember that some programs require more than just a high APS. For example, pharmacy, dentistry, nursing, and science programs may require mathematics and physical sciences. Commerce programs often require mathematics, while education and law may have specific language requirements. Before submitting your application, download the latest UWC prospectus and check the admission requirements for your intended qualification. This is one of the most important steps because many students apply for programs without checking whether they meet the subject requirements. If you are currently in grade 12, you will normally need a certified copy of your identity document and your grade 11 final results, or latest grade 12 results. These documents help the university assess your application before final matric results become available. If you have already completed matric, you should prepare a certified copy of your ID document and a certified copy of your National Senior Certificate. Transfer students may also need academic transcripts and additional documents from their current or previous institution. International applicants will generally need a passport and supporting academic documentation. Make sure all documents are clear and easy to read. Poor quality scans can delay the processing of your application. An important requirement that many applicants overlook involves students who are younger than 18 years old. UWC requires a signed POPIA consent form for applicants under the age of 18.
This form must be submitted before the application closing date. To begin your application, create an account on the UWC Student Portal. Enter your personal information carefully and make sure your cell phone number and email address are correct. UWC will use these contact details to communicate important updates regarding your application. Once your account has been created, complete all required personal information fields. Take your time and double-check every section. Incorrect names, identity numbers, or contact details can create problems later in the admission process. The next step is entering your academic information. Current grade 12 learners should enter their available school results, while applicants who have completed matric should provide their final examination information where requested. After completing your academic information, you will select your program choices. UWC allows applicants to select up to 2 program choices. Choose carefully and ensure that you meet the requirements for both qualifications before submitting your application. You will then upload your supporting documents. Before clicking Submit, review every section of your application and make sure all required documents have been uploaded successfully. Missing documents are one of the most common reasons applications remain incomplete. After submitting your application, save your applicant number and any confirmation messages you receive. Keep this information in a safe place because you will need it when checking your application status or contacting the university. Many students ask how to check their application status. To do this, return to student.uwc.ac.za and log into the student portal. From there, you can monitor your application, check whether documents have been received, and view any requests from the admissions office. If you need accommodation, remember that applying to UWC does not automatically guarantee a residence room. Residence spaces are limited and demand is very high. If you require accommodation, follow the university's residence application procedures as early as possible. Students who require financial assistance should also apply for NSFAS separately. Your university application and your NSFAS application are 2 different processes. You should not wait for your admission decision before applying for NSFAS funding. Some common mistakes include applying after the closing date, missing the earlier dentistry deadline, uploading unclear documents, using an email address you no longer have access to, and choosing programs without checking the subject requirements. Another common mistake is assuming that a high APS score guarantees admission. Competitive programs often receive far more applications than available spaces. Meeting the minimum requirements simply makes you eligible for consideration. If you experience technical problems during the application process, contact UWC Admissions through the official university channels. Keep your applicant number available whenever you contact the university, because it helps staff locate your application quickly. The best advice is to apply as early as possible. Early applications give you time to correct mistakes, upload additional documents if requested, and resolve any technical problems before the closing date arrives. That is the complete University of the Western Cape Online Application Guide for 2027. Make sure you apply before the deadline, check your program requirements carefully, upload all required documents, and monitor your application status regularly. Good luck with your UWC application and your future studies.